Hi, Dev here, and today we'll be going over a feature that has been in popular demand, and that is the copy trading feature, where you don't have to manually enter trades from one account to the other. You can just place trades on one account and it will be duplicated on the other account, right? So you have a master account and a minor account. Master account is just the trade that the account that the trades are going from, and the minor accounts is the account that the trades will be duplicated on, right? So here you see me on the Trader Evolution software, and let's put on a copy trade, which you're gonna see is pretty straightforward. Now, I already have my account synced, but for those of you who do not know how to sync an account, let us just do a quick overview here. So let's say I want all the accounts on the panels, the different panels, to be the same. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go here and select the account that I want, the main account that I want to be trading on. You select that account, it just changes at the top. It does not change on the market depth, nor does it change on the chart, nor does it change anywhere else. In order for the account to change on all the panels, you have to go to this human icon here, press the human icon, it fills green, and then the account is synced, and all those trades will be executed on that account, whether it be on the chart, you're placing the trade from the chart, or the market depth, right? Now, let's go ahead and activate our copy trading feature. Now, we scroll down here, we click this drop down at the top. Always remember, you go to this drop down at the top and you select the drop down, and you're presented with a list of options. So you have the accounts, as well as you're going to have the account statistics, and the option to copy trade. Now you select the copy trading option, and what you get here is a pop-up box. And this pop-up box will basically give you the list of accounts and the one that you want the copy trades to be executed from, and the account that those trades will be executed to, right? Now we have here our first account, which is the Flex 25K account, and we have the follower accounts. So we're going to select the drop down here, and we're going to select the first account that is presented to us, which is the the evaluation 5K account. Ignore the term demo. Demo is just because you're on an evaluation. When you're funded, it's going to show live. So you select this option here, which is your first account. It takes a check mark, comes beside it, and then you press start. Now, when you press start, you get a pop-up window that's giving you the instructions. So it says, when the master account opens a position or partially closes it, the same action will be executed for the selected follower accounts. Note, take profit or stop loss orders will not be automatically created for the follower accounts. Let's just keep that in mind, okay? Now, select yes, and here we see it's activated. Now, how we know it's activated is when we see stop, and when you hover over it, it says stop copying. So when you want to stop the copy trading, you're just going to do that. Stop it, and the copy trading stops. Now, let's close that out. And I want to show you something first. Now, this is the two accounts that I'm on here. You can see this on the Trader Evolution under Filled Trades. But for you, those of you who also want to check it on your demo, your dashboard, you can just go here on the hub, and you notice that under open trades it says nothing. And it's the same for this 5K account. This is a 25K account here. See, there it is, 25K. It shows nothing. And this is the same for this 5K account. Also under open trades, you see nothing. So there is no trade that is currently opened. Let's just confirm that. Now we pull back up our Trader Evolution software. And mind you, the same way we activate the copy trading on the web terminal is the same way we activate the copy trading on the Windows. You go to the top, you select the drop down, and you select copy trading, and then you follow the steps that I would have showed earlier. Now, we have here, we're going to buy, let's say, 10 shares, and we have here SoFi. SoFi is the stock that I'm currently looking at. And looking on, and here we have SoFi, right? What price SoFi is trading at right now is not important to us, because what we're focusing on is the feature to activate copy trades and to automate trades over to another account, or to just automatically copy a trade instead of having to manually do it. Now, let's go ahead and let's say we want to buy 10 shares of SoFi. We're just going to go here and press buy on the ask, and it opens a trade, right? And you notice that once you see this line that runs through this, it shows that there is an open trade. Now, it's just as simple, right? Now, if you go on the positions, you notice it says 1 of 2. That is 1 of 2 positions because you have 2 accounts and then positions are opened on both accounts. Now, if we were to go to the accounts tab here, and this is the 5K account, it shows that there's a position. And if we go over to the 25K account, it's the same thing. If you go here as well, it changes. If you go here, it also changes to show you that the trade have been executed on both accounts. And just to confirm even further, we can go here on the dashboard and we'll refresh the dashboard. And it's loading. Just give it some time. And here we have 10 shares open on SoFi. And if we were to go here as well and refresh, we also see 10 shares open on SoFi. Notice this is the Flex 5K account, and it's 10 shares that is open on that account. And this is the Flex 25K account, and that's 10 shares that is open on that account. Voila. It's magic. The trades have been duplicated on both accounts. As simple as that, right? And if you want to close the trade, it's the same principle. So because we have 10 shares long, we're gonna go ahead and close out that position here, and it closes the trade. What do you see? Positions 0, 0. There is no open position. It's as simple as that. And it's so convenient, right? You guys asked for it, you got it. Now you're able to copy trade without having to manually enter a trade, which was something I would say was in popular demand by a lot of traders, whether you would have come to chat or you would have gone to Discord or send us an email. This is something that you've requested, we listened, and we went ahead and added that feature to the platform for you guys, right? And just to confirm, you can go to your dashboard here. I'm just going to go to the dashboard. Let me just do a quick refresh here just to show you. Here you go. Trade is closed on the Flex 25K. Refresh here. And you're going to see it. Trade is closed on the Flex 5K account, right? And it is the exact same thing you would do on the web terminal, right? So on the web terminal, the layout is the exact same way. So you would be able to automate your copy trades without having to manually enter those trades, right? And that's it. Thank you for taking the time out to join us on our tutorial video of our new copy trading features. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.